Today we're going to reveal the real secret to becoming rich. Have you ever wondered what sets successful people apart from the rest? What steps can you take to transform your dreams into reality? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to unravel the teachings of the classic Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill and discover how you can apply these principles in your own life to achieve abundance. The power of thought. Napoleon Hill teaches us that everything begins with the mind. The way we think can determine our success or failure. Hill interviewed more than 500 wealthy people and found that positive thinking and a burning desire were common among them. What does this mean for you? Simple. To achieve great things, you must first believe that it is possible. Desire, the first key to success. Hill says, the starting point of all achievement is desire. But not just any desire, it must be a burning desire to succeed. It's not about daydreaming, it's a desire that drives you to take action. For example, when I started my first business, it wasn't just because I wanted to make money. It was because I had a clear and burning vision of what I wanted to achieve. That passion is what kept me going, even when things got tough. Faith and autosuggestion. Faith is fundamental. You must have faith in yourself and your ability to succeed. Hill suggests using autosuggestion to strengthen our faith. This means repeating positive affirmations until they become part of your subconscious. It's like training your mind for success. A phrase that has helped me a lot is, I am capable of achieving any goal I set for myself. Repeating this every day has given me the confidence to face any challenge. Specialized knowledge. Knowledge is power, but Hill tells us that you don't need to know everything. What's important is acquiring the necessary knowledge to achieve your goals and knowing how to use it. When I started my delivery business, I didn't know everything about logistics. But I made sure to learn enough and surround myself with people who had the knowledge I lacked. This approach allowed me to advance much faster. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Imagination is the workshop of the mind, where all plans are formed. Hill distinguishes between synthetic imagination, rearranging old ideas into new forms, and creative imagination, creating completely new ideas. Both types of imagination are crucial. For example, when I decided to expand my business, I used synthetic imagination to improve our existing processes and creative imagination to introduce innovative services that set us apart from the competition. Organized planning, the crystallization of desire into action. A desire without a plan is just a dream. You must have an organized and clear plan to achieve your goals. Hill suggests that every plan should be clear and detailed. When I launched my first product, I had a step-by-step plan detailing every action I needed to take. This not only kept me focused, but also allowed me to measure my progress and make adjustments when necessary. Decision and persistence. The ability to make quick and definitive decisions is a common trait among successful people. Hill found that indecision is an enemy of success. Persistence is equally important. Thomas Edison, for example, failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. His determination and continuous action are testaments to the importance of perseverance. The power of the mastermind group. The concept of the invisible council or mastermind group is essential. These are people who support you, challenge you, and share their wisdom. For example, by being part of a local business group, I received invaluable advice that helped me avoid costly mistakes and make more informed decisions. Hill suggests surrounding yourself with people who share your interests and motivate you to achieve your goals. The mystery of sexual transmutation. This is one of the most controversial chapters in the book, but also one of the most powerful. Hill argues that sexual desire is one of the most powerful human drives and that, when properly channeled, it can be transformed into a creative force. This doesn't mean repressing your desires, but redirecting the energy towards your goals. Many historical figures, such as Napoleon Bonaparte, found that their greatest success came when they managed to channel their passions towards their ambitions. The subconscious and the mastermind. Hill describes the subconscious as a part of our mind that is always working either for us or against us. It is crucial to feed it with positive thoughts and clear desires. Additionally, being in a positive and supportive environment can significantly influence our subconscious. A mastermind group not only provides you with knowledge, but also keeps you in a positive and focused mental state. The brain, a broadcasting and receiving station for thoughts. Hill suggests that our brain is like a radio station, capable of receiving and transmitting thoughts. By concentrating your thoughts on your goals and surrounding yourself with people with similar thoughts, you can create a powerful synergy that drives you forward. The sixth sense, the door to infinite intelligence. The sixth sense is a kind of intuition or inner knowledge that goes beyond logical reason. Hill suggests that we can develop this sense through meditation and introspection. This sense can guide us in making critical decisions and identifying opportunities that others might overlook. Andrew Yang, for example, trusted his intuition when he decided to withdraw from the 2020 presidential race, demonstrating how the sixth sense can influence important decisions. Conclusion: take action today. The central message of Think and Grow Rich is clear: action is the key to success. It's not enough to have great ideas, you must act on them. Procrastination is the enemy of success. Every day that you delay your actions is a day lost on your path to wealth. Persistence and constant action are essential. In summary, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is more than just a book about accumulating wealth. It is a comprehensive guide to transforming your life. It teaches you to harness the power of your mind, take bold action, and surround yourself with people who support you on your journey. Wealth is not just about money. It's about the quality of your relationships, your health, and your emotional well-being. By applying Hill's principles, you can achieve a level of abundance that goes beyond financial. Now it's your turn. Take these principles and apply them in your life. Start by defining your goals, practice autosuggestion, visualize your success, and take decisive action. Join mastermind groups and learn from them. Remember, perseverance is key. Don't give up at the first obstacles. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Let me know in the comments what your biggest dream is and what steps you are taking to achieve it. I would love to hear your stories and know how these teachings are helping you on your path to wealth and success. Thank you for joining me in this episode. If you found this information useful, give it a like, share the video, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Together, we can achieve abundance and live the life we've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.